session. Yeah. If anyone unable to hear me, yes, rejoin the session. Just rejoin the simple solution. Yes, let us start. Yes, today first day. Today first day. Yes, what is today's agenda? Today's agenda. Yes, let us have today's agenda. 1 second. Yes, let me mute everyone. Yes, mute all participants. Just getting some noise, some disturbance getting from your side. So just yes, muted everyone. Yes, muted. Fine. Yes, I hope everyone is able to hear me. Fine. Yes, let us start. Yes, what is today's agenda? Today first day. Today first day. Yes, what is today's agenda? Today's agenda here. First of all, yes, about me means about trainer, about me. Yes, after about me, next about your coach, about your coach. Next, yes, next about yes. Next, what is prerequisites? What is prerequisites? Yes, to learn Java. To learn Java. What is prerequisite to learn Java? Next one, course contents. Next is about course contents. Yeah, this is today's agenda. Today's agenda. So first of all, about me. Next, about your course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Next, about course contents. This is today's agenda. Okay. So first of all, about me. About me. Yeah. Yeah, this is yes, Nageshwar Rao. This is Nageshwar Rao. Yes, well-known trainer, Java, well-known trainer. Yes, having yes 20 years of experience in software fields. My most of the experience Java, yes, big data, and Hadoop. Big data, Hadoop. Next Linux area. Next Python. This is my area of experience. Yes, Java, big data, Hadoop, Linux, and Python. This is my area of experience. Okay. Yes, here as a part of big data Hadoop, just working on Linux also. Next, working on Python also. Okay. See, if you know the Java and Linux, then it's a big data Hadoop. That's it. If you're good at Linux and Java, then it's a big data Hadoop. That's it. Java guys easily can change to big data and Hadoop technologies. Okay. Yes. So current working company. Current working company. Current working company. Yes, Silotech Private Limited. This is current working company. Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Current working company. This is okay. Presently work from home. Yes, work from home. Presently work from home. Okay, Silotech Private Limited. Yes, you can check it. See here. Current working company. Yes, Hyderabad only. This is so current working company. See, morning one batch, evening two batches. I'm taking Java classes, and the rest of the day, whole day, office work. So morning at 8:30 taking one batch, and next evening 6:30 to yes 8 o'clock one batch. Now it's 9 o'clock one batch. Two batches I'm taking. Yes, evening two batches, morning one batch. Taking this online classes. So rest of the whole day here, whole day office work. So this is my working company. Okay. Yes, in this company now here we are taking some Java. Who completed Java training? Yes, we are taking now currently. Yes, I have shared that information to all of our students. Many students here, they forward mails, resumes, their mails, resumes. Yes, even let me show that. Silotech company. Yes. Yes, in last 15 days, second time we are conducting drive. See, now this is, I received all the resumes. I have to forward to our HR. I should forward to my HR. Okay, HR. Yes, 1 second. Company. Yes, current working company. This is my current working company. Presently work from home. My role, solution architect. Yes, in total career. Yeah, this company. Yes, I joined into this company in 2015. Before that, I was with another company. This company I was joined in 2015. So before that, I was with another company. Okay, totally here 18 projects completed. Yes, total career 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Out of 18 projects, the first two projects on embedded C. First two projects on embedded C. On embedded C. On embedded C. Yes, on embedded C. First two projects. Yes, this is 1997 to 1999. That period worked on embedded C. That period 97 to 1999. See, my engineering 1993 to 1997. Yes, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yes, 1993 to 97. Computer science engineering. Yes, finally itself got the job. Immediately I got the job. Okay, even one day also no delay. Immediately joined the job. Yes, it's a campus selection. Campus selection 93 to 97 computer science engineering JNTU Hyderabad. See, so that time my MSET rank 125. 125. So because of this 125 rank, I got the seat. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad computer science. Here that period AP and TS, AP and Telangana, United Andhra Pradesh. That time only 360 seats are there. Only 360 seats. Computer science only 360 seats. Okay. Yes, I'm a OC category. Open category. Open category. So with that rank only I got. So with that profile I got the job immediately. Yes, finally itself I got the job here without even one day gap. Without any gap. Yes, immediately job. Just at the age of 21 years. Okay. Even 21 not completed. Yes. That time only I got the job here. So first initially two projects on embedded C. Two projects on embedded C. Yes, next 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. Okay, next 4 projects. Yes, 4 projects. 4 projects on Big Data Hadoop. Yes, 4 projects. Yes, Big Data Hadoop. Yes, Big Data. Yes, Big Data on Hadoop. And Hadoop. Next Spark also. One more Spark. Spark also. Spark framework. Okay. See, first two projects on embedded C. Embedded C. Yes, next. See, 97 to 99. Yes, I was an embedded C. Next 2000 year started Java career. 2000 year Java career started. Okay, next. Yes, 2013 Hadoop career started. Hadoop and Java parallelly. Hadoop just it's a part of Java framework. Just it's a Hadoop part of this. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Because of that background only, I got the job. Okay. Yes, lot of career. Yes. 2000 year, Java started Java career. 2013 started Hadoop career. Yes, totally 12 projects on Java. Yes, 2 projects on embedded C, 2 projects on embedded C. Yes, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Big Data and Hadoop Nexus Spark. Okay. Yes, next current projects, 19 projects, current projects. Yes, current projects. Current project on Java. Java for Volkswagen clients. Volkswagen clients. Client is Volkswagen. That ERP solutions, ERP kind of solutions we are providing. ERP kind of solutions like enterprise resource planning, that Volkswagen company to operate all the different departments like yes, like purchasing material, warehouse management, next manufacturing, production department, assembling department, next to shipping department, various kind of things. To manage all kind of different departments, we are providing one ERP solution. It's very big project. Okay. Yes, on that project only we are recruiting currently. Okay, currently we are recruiting. Okay, we need around 43 to 45 freshers we need. Okay, so we are recruiting. Yes, already last week. Yes, I think around 30 or 32 members were recruited already. Out of 32, our students are 13 members we have taken. Still 15 more guys are required. 15 more guys. Yes, again our HR asked to share some more resumes. So today night I will be sharing that resumes. Okay, from that they will filter and getting call. Yes, you guys don't worry. For every 3 months we are recruiting. Every 3 months, every 2 months, almost every 2 months we are recruiting. Our team is very big team. 273 resources, Java resources. It's a Java based company. Java based company. Yes, our team is 273 resources are there. 273 resources means very big team. Okay, yes, incoming, outgoing like that. Okay, many employees, incoming and outgoing employees. So almost every 3 months we are recruiting freshers. Okay, yes. So this is about my profile. Okay, this is my profile. Okay, yes, 23 years of experience. Yes, most of the experience Java, Big Data, Hadoop, and all this. This is my current working company. Let's say work from home. Yes, even I can handle my badge also. ITAC 142 is my badge. Yes, ID. Generally calling as badge. It's my badge. My badge number. Badge. Okay, ITAC 142. This is. ITAC means IT Application Center. IT Application Center. Here, this is about my profile. High profile, no doubt. Lot of experience. Okay. So this is about me. Next about course. Yes, about course. Yeah, today first day explaining all the information. Yes, today I'm providing all the information. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, about course. Yes, your course is Core Java. Course is Core. Yes, your course is Core Java. Core Java. Yes, duration. Duration 3 months. 3 months. Next number of sessions. 75 to 78 sessions. 75 to 78 sessions. Okay, next session duration. Yes, session duration 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes means 90 minutes session duration. Next, Monday to Saturday classes. No holidays. Okay, no holidays, only Sunday holiday. Only strictly. Yes, I'm very much dedicated with this. Yes, very much dedicated. Monday to Saturday only. Saturday classes. Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. See here, 3 months, 90 days, 7 taking. Yes, I'll show proof also. Yes, recently completed batch. 8:30 AM batch completed. Recently 8:30 AM batch completed. 8:30 AM batch recordings. See that. Daily recordings. These recordings daily every day after finishing class. Recording will be sharing with you. Okay. So this is, see when this batch was started. Yes, 6th September this batch started. Starting date 6th September. Starting date 6th September started. Next, what is ending date? Yes, ending date. Ending date, this is ending date. 78 session. Yes, 5th December. Ending date 5th December. December. Yes, how many days? Check it. Exactly 90 days. Even one day, not more than that, not less than that. Exactly 90 days I have taken. Okay, 90 days. How many sessions were taken? See that 78 sessions. 78 sessions. 78 sessions taken. Okay, so 90 days, 78. That is my commitment. That is my commitment. See, most of the trainers, suppose if they are saying that 90 days, they'll finish within, yes, they will take 4 months also. Extending, giving many holidays. Yes, weekly. Yes, most of the trainers in market here, Monday to Friday only taking classes. Monday to Friday classes. Monday to Friday. So weekly 5 sessions. And only 1 hour class. Only 1 hour class. 1 hour class. And 2 months only. Their duration is only 2 months. Only 2 months. Yes, in market, Monday to Friday classes. Monday to Friday classes. So most of the trainers. Next only 1 hour class. Next only 2 months. Then how many? Totally 2 months means, yes, 1 hour class, 2 months. So how many? 8 weeks. 1 more week extra, 9 weeks. So 9 weeks. So 9 weeks. 9 weeks. Yes, next 1 hour class. Monday to Friday. So weekly 5 hours. Weekly 5 hours. So 9 to 5. 45 hours hardly. Yes, other trainers. Yes, in Durga Soft also same. Other trainers are taking like this only. My case is different. My case is different. Yes, nowhere comparison with other institution in same Durga Soft also other Java trainers are there. It is also nowhere comparison. Okay, see here 90 days, 78 sessions into 60 minutes, 90 minutes is equal to, yes, almost 115 hours taking batch. This almost 115 hours. See, almost it's a 115 hours. 1 second. But totally 115 hours I'll be taking. 115 hours. That is minimum. That is minimum 115 hours. See, other trainers only 45 hours. Check with anywhere, with any institution, any trainer in Durga Soft also other trainers. Just you attend that classes, they will tell you only 45 hours they get classes. My classes 115 hours. There is a lot of syllabus and all the real-time based scenarios. My experience I'll be delivering. I'll be delivering all the experience. Okay, so this is about this. Okay, yes. So about course is core Java, duration 3 months, sessions 75 to 78 sessions here, duration 1 hour 30 minutes, Monday to Saturday classes, sir, time. Yes, sir, time. Yes. Yes, 9 o'clock. Yes, 9 to, yes, sir, 10 p.m. IST. Sorry, 9 to 10:30 p.m. Sorry, 9 to 10:30 p.m. IST. This is time. Okay. Yes, next year, apart from this, yes, about fee and all this fees, just only 5,000 rupees. Just only 5,000. Okay. Previously, it was 7,000 actually. Previously, it was 7,000. It was 7,000. Yes, because of students, many students are requesting me to reduce the fees because many institutions are offering at low fees. Okay, so they are comparing with other institutions and all this, and students are asking, sir, you're taking too high fees. 7,000 is too high. They are requesting like that. So based on that, I consider that request. I'm not a commercial. I'm not a commercial. So based on that request, reduce it to 5,000. Only 5,000. Okay. Next, one more thing. Certificate also provided. Certificate also provided. After finishing course, certificate also provided. Okay. Next, 3 to 4 demo classes you can attend. Demo classes means Demo classes with free of cost. Free of cost. Yes, without paying fees. Without paying fees. Without paying fees. Without paying fee. Okay. So 4 classes, no issue. See the classes for 4 days. Not only watching classes for 4 days, just you talk to your friends also who completed Java in my batches. Just talk to your friend. Talk to your friends. Okay, if they said okay, you join. Otherwise, no. Just you talk to your friends who completed Java in my batches. Just to take the feedback of your friends. If they say okay, join into our batch. Join into this batch. Otherwise, don't directly, need not join directly here. 1 second, 1 second. Just see the classes for 4 days. See the classes for 4 days. Even actual class also 4 days you can see actual classes. Tomorrow starting actual classes. Tomorrow actual classes. Second day actual classes. Tomorrow actual classes. Tomorrow actual classes. Tomorrow actual classes starting. Yes, actual classes also. Yes. 3 to 4 classes free. Classes. Okay, free you can attend, no issue. Okay. So after 3 to 4 classes, yes, the way of teaching, how I am teaching here, my knowledge, just you can observe it. Okay. Observe it, just you talk to your friends. If everyone is says okay, then join. Just to confirm with your friends, just join. Okay, so these are about our course here. Okay. Yes, next apart from this, see daily recordings. Daily recordings. Yes, share it to your Gmail ID. Share it to yes, your Gmail ID. Share it to yes, your Gmail ID. Yes, Gmail. Yes, by 11 p.m. Yes, by 11 p.m. Half an hour of finishing class. Yes, recording it will take half an hour. Minimum half an hour required. By 11 p.m. you can watch it. Okay. Daily recordings. Share it to your Gmail by 11 p.m. Okay, 11 p.m. Okay. Recording validity. Validity. Yes, validity for 1 year. Yes, no doubt. Validity for 1 year. The recording is valid for 1 year. 1 year you can watch it. Okay. Next here, one more facility. Suppose anyone, yes, anyone unable to continue, yes, continue classes with the personal reasons, with some reasons, maybe changing office time, okay, maybe changing college time, something, maybe some exams. That case, they can continue next batch also. Yes, anyone unable to continue classes with some reasons here, yes, they can continue next batch. They can attend another batch, no issue. Another batch. See, I'm not a commercial. You attend, no issue. Okay. See, I have very good job with high package. Yes, here teaching is just teaching is not a profession. Teaching just it's my passion. Yes, interest. Just teaching is my interest. Okay, teaching is my interest only. It's my passion. Yes, I want to deliver to my skills to many of the students in market. I want to share my knowledge. Teaching is my passion. Presentation is my passion. Yes, even in our office also, whenever presenting to the client, I will present to the clients. Yes, I will collect all the information about the projects and the client. Yes, presenting to the client location. Yes, well prepared presentation, preparing presentation and present to the clients. Okay. So this is my passion, presentations and taking classes and all this. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. You guys, for you guys facilities here, daily recordings plus class document. Class documents also shared with you. Class document. See, this is your class doc. Let me show the class documents. Your class documents. The trip Java. Yeah, this is your class document. Yeah. Yes, another batch. This is explain some literature concept. There is collections topic. Today class for them, collections. This is your class document. The class document. See, class document. This is here. This is around 560 page document. 560 page document here. So running notes is not necessary. You guys, running notes is not necessary. Just you can follow the document here. This document is same as my order of explanation. See, for explanation purpose, sometimes I'm using this notepads. Sometimes I'm using Word document like this. So Word, sometimes using Word, sometimes using notepads. So what are the topics explaining here? Same thing I have prepared here in documents. Yes, even one line also not missing. This document content same as my order of explanation, exactly same as my class. See, most of the trainers, they will gather all the information from the different sites and they'll prepare the document. But it's not like that. My document is complete my experience. Complete my experience. This document nowhere is not matching with any website in the Google. Just search in Google, nowhere matching. No trainer, nothing. Yes, my document is different. My classes are different. My programming is different. Okay, nowhere compares in the market. Just you ask your friends, they will tell you same feedback. Okay, so this document for you only 560 page document. In this document 300 programs were covered, 300 programs and 500 interview questions prepared. Well prepared document this is. Yeah, this document is enough to face interviews and any kind of things. Okay, so this is your class document. Okay, yes, next. After document, next software. Yes, JDK 8 software, I'll share it. Yes, JDK 9 software. Yes, you need to download. See, for JDK downloading, Oracle account required. It is not required, I'll provide it. JDK 8, JDK 9, JDK 11, and 13. JDK 13. Up to this, we are going to discuss here. Okay, these things next plus Eclipse. So these things I'll share with you. You guys need not to download anything. Downloading software not necessary. Okay, so these are the facilities providing for you. Next, one second, let me have some water. See, one more facility, WhatsApp group. One more facility, WhatsApp group. Communication purpose. Yes, WhatsApp. Communication purpose, WhatsApp group. Daily communication purpose. Communication purpose. Anytime you can ping me. So any doubts you can ask me. See, the current running batches. See, forever batch already group created. Yes, already students they're asking since 1 week they're asking. Yes, when to start? Yes, 9 p.m. batch. So for them already group created. Yes, you guys also will add to that group. I think no, currently already 10 members are there in group. Today just created this is group. Yes, I'll add you also to the same group here. So this is 9 p.m. Next, see 8 a.m. batch, morning batch. Another batch is going on. See 36 participants. 8 a.m. batch. Yes, this batch is already almost more than 10 classes completed. See that my communication, my response. So whenever asking, immediate response I'm giving. That response, all that response. See that response. Okay. Yes, their doubts, my response, and all that response. Okay. Next, another batch. Yes, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Before your batch, another batch is there. Another batch. This is around 30 participants. 30 participants. So minimum 30 members every batch, no doubt. 30 participants. Okay. So this is now currently running batches. So 2 batches in the evening, morning 1 batch. I'm taking. Next, rest of the day, yes, rest of the day here, office hours. Okay, so this is, yes, 1 second for your batch also. Yes, my WhatsApp number, this is my WhatsApp number, 8179189123. I'm sharing this number. Yes, your name. Yes, next. Yes, your course, WhatsApp course you are attending here. Next, what's time you are attending here? Time. Yes, next. Your Gmail ID. This is required. See here, group creating. Yes, after finishing your batch, yes, you will be added to main group. Main group. This is, yes, lifetime support. These groups are lifetime supports. Lifetime supports. Yes, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Yes, means more than 900 students are there. More than 900 students since last 2 years. Not full-time classes, just only morning 1 batch, evening 2 batches, just to taking care. Yes, just within 2 years, 900 members completed their training. Suppose full-time training means maybe lot of many members getting care, but not full-time. Morning 1 batch, evening 2 batches. Okay. Yes. See, this is something like 1 second. See here. Reading. Yeah, this is so recent requirements shared here. 1 second. 1 second. Let me open WhatsApp. One second. Yes, my phone WhatsApp. This is not. Yeah, this is communication. Yes, okay, it's not schooling. Yes, maybe it's network issue. Yeah, these for lifetime supports. All these for lifetime supports. These groups are kit for lifetime support. Yes, even your batch completed, I will not leave you. Lifetime support will be there. Anytime, any doubts, any kind of things, any kind of help, you can ask me. I can. Just 23 years of experience in the industry. Yes, worked with many clients. Okay, I have a lot of network. Okay, simply here I'll be like a friend always. I'll move like a friend. Every time talk to the students. See students communication, recent communications. Yes, Java students. See Java students. That communication. See today communication. See that today communication. See with how many students communicated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See that communication. Okay, next yesterday communication. See, not only here, everywhere I'll maintain the communication. It's very, very important. Communication will solve many problems. If you communicating properly, yes, many problems will be solved. Yes, that proper communication. Yes, every day I'll be interacting with almost every student. Current running batches, every student. Okay, even old students also. Yes, communication. Okay, yes, like this type of communication is very, very important. Okay. Yes, I think 19. Pravalika. Okay, is somebody. Okay, fine. So this is my WhatsApp number. Please take it. Yes, not only yes group communication. Yes, in group you can share what are your doubts you have. Next, you can share me personally also. You can call me personally, sir. Yes, for voice calls also I'm using same number. For voice calls also same number. Yes, you can call me anytime except night hours. Anytime I can respond you. Suppose sometimes maybe in office meeting, except office meeting and classes, or anytime I can respond. Okay, I will respond you. So immediately response. Okay. Yeah, this is number. Take it. Yes. Okay, fine. Yes. I'm moving to next topic. I'm waiting for, I'll wait for 30 seconds. Just I'll wait for 30 seconds. Okay. Yes, we'll continue. So recordings, daily class documents, softwares, next apart from WhatsApp group maintain here. Okay. Yes. So this is about course. About course. Next, about prerequisites. Yes, non-IT guys, some doubt in this area. So what is prerequisite? Yes, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Yes, I'm not expecting anything from you. Nothing required. Yes, nothing required. Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. Nothing required. Yes, even non-IT background guys also can understand. I'm starting with basics here. Non-IT background guys also, non-IT background guys also can understand very easily here. Understand. Okay, understand. Can understand here. Okay. Yes, starting with basics. Starting with basics. Starting with basics. Finally, yes, taking to high end. Taking to high end. And see, by the time of finishing course, 3 months of training. By the time of finishing course, yes, you will be in a position. You will be in a position to put up experience also. You will be in a position to, yes, put up, yes, minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience. 3 to 4 years of experience. That level I can train. I'll train you that level. That's the reason I'm taking 3 months batch. 3 months and 115 hours. Okay, even single minute or no wastage in the class. Never discussion about outside topics. Completely technical. Yes, your class topic only, your syllabus only. Okay, never going to outside topics. So that 90 minutes completely subject only talking. So without wasting 1 minute also. So that's the reason 115 hours by taking, yes, I should make you perfect in Java with good programming skills and all this. So you should put up minimum of this much of experience. That level I can train you. It's my promise. Yes, if not, just you can ask me. You can question me, no doubt. Okay. Yes, this is prerequisite. Okay. Yes, next here. Now, let us come to actual topic. This is important. Course contents. What are the course contents covering here? Let us say about course contents. Yes, about course contents. Course contents. See, total Java. What is total Java? In that, what is our part? Total Java called as JDK. JDK. Yes, Java Development Kits. JDK is Java Development. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK. Java Development Kits. Yes, in JDK. Yes, totally 4 editions. There are 4 editions. 1 second. Once let me copy and paste that. Just wasting of time. Yes, already typed for the morning batch. Yes, see. Java Development Kit. Yes, in total Java, there are 4 editions. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition, and Java FX. Totally 4 editions. Okay. Yes, out of all this is our course. Java Standard Edition. See here, Mobile Edition and FX, no one using this is. Yeah, these editions are not in use. Okay, Java is somewhat poor in this area. See mobile edition, this area, mobile apps. Mobile apps for this Android is the best suitable. This area Android. Android is the best suitable. Android, this area. Okay, Java is very poor, so this edition not using here. Java effects means for visual effects, visual effects. So this area, Premiere software is available. Premiere software. Yes, movies for movies purpose. Visual effects, movies, visual effects, Premiere software, and Maya software using here. Maya software. Okay, so these two areas Java is poor, so not using this one. These editions not using. Yes, these two are using here. These two are in use. These two are in use. Okay, so what is Java standardization? Java standardization, this is our syllabus. Java standardization is Java technology. It's completely Java technology. It's a Java technology. Java technology. It is just Java tech. One second, let me have some water. Yes, it's a Java technology. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Just Java Enterprise. Yes, it's application development. Apps. Yes, applications, apps development. Apps development. See, yes, almost all internet-based applications developed in Java only here. Yes, applications, internet-based applications here. This is the internet-based. Yes, internet-based applications, internet-based apps. Okay, internet-based apps. For this enterprise edition, see 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java only here. 90%. Lakhs of applications are there. That history will discuss. Java history from beginning to today. What was happening in Java? That history. Yes, how Java got the popularity. Yes, all that my experience, my life experience. Okay, live experience. Okay, yes, Java standardization, Java technology, Java technology. Yes, these are our course here. See here, Java enterprise is application development. Yes, frameworks. This is a frameworks area. This is frameworks. All the frameworks comes on this. It's all frameworks. What is framework? Tomorrow topic. Tomorrow we'll discuss about what is framework, what kind of applications you can develop. Yes, about Java. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about complete Java history, and what is current Java current situation, Java present situation, what is Java feature. Yes, history, past, present, and future. The topic we'll discuss tomorrow. That is tomorrow. Today about all the details I'm explaining here. All details I'm explaining here. Tomorrow, Java past, present, and future. That we'll discuss. Okay. Yes. See, 4 classes you can see, no issue. 4 to 5 classes, no issue. You can attend and decide it. Okay. Yes. See, Java standardization. This is our syllabus. Java standardization. Yes, in Java standardization. So first Java standard edition. Yes, this first one. First one is core part of Java. Core part of Java. First one is core part means fundamentals. Fundamentals. Java, all the Java fundamentals. Yes, all the Java fundamentals. Fundamentals comes on this category. All the Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals like data types. Yes, like C language. Here also data types. Data types. Next operators. Yes, operators. Data types. Operators. Next control statements. Control statements. Control statements. Next Java language syntax. That language. Java language. Java language syntax. All this here. See, control statements. Like C language in Java also you have same kind of control statements. See, C language, C plus Java syntax is same. Almost similar syntax. Just like if statements, yes, switch case statements. Yes, next. Yes, while loop. Yes, next do while loop. Yes, do while loop and for loops. This area. See, this area 100 programs we are going to discuss. 100 programs. 100 programs I'll be explaining here. 100 programs. Logic based training. logic based programming. This logic based programming. Yes, 100 programs I'll be covering here. Logic based programming. Logic based programming. Okay, special focus on improving logics. On improving logics and programming skills. Programming skills. Special focus on this programming skills. Here this area. Yes, first 1 month this is whole. First 1 month. Yes, 100 programs I'm covering here. Yes, in 100 programs, yes, 60 programs I'll be explaining. 60 explanation, 60 explaining, 60 explaining. Yes, 40 assignments. 40 assignments. Okay. See, daily assignments will be there. This is first month. First month completely logic based programming. So once you perfect about this one, 60, yes, explaining 40 assignments, 100 programs. No doubt, minimum 100. Sometimes even more than 100 also. See, if statement area, 20 programs explaining here. Before if operators like increment operator, decrement operators, conditional operators, logical operators, different operators. This area, yeah, this area 20 programs. If statement 20, which case some 5 examples here. While loop do well, this for loops area 45 programs we're discussing here. Loops area 45. See, loops. What kind of programs covering in loops? Yes, to improve our logics, improving logics. Yes, list of programs. See all these programs. Yes, like something like Fibonacci series example. Fibonacci series. Yes, how to find octal number, prime number. Yes, palindrome numbers. Sum of digits of a given number, reverse of a given number. Like this kind of things. Next here, twin primes. Twin primes. How to find it here? Yes. Nested lifts like pattern programs. This kind of pattern programs. Yes, that will improve a lot of logic improvements. Yes, 35, 36, 37, 30, all this. Get diamond shape and all this here. Get this butterfly shape like this type of pattern programs here. Okay. Yes, line by line I'll explain very clearly. Very clearly line by line explaining. Okay. Yes, one second. Even I can show one example also. Today, see. Will now be recorded. See, this program I can. That's a fun. Also competence also. Yes. 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 How many state files? Yes. Yeah, that is way of training. Every program I'll show the every program. Yes, even morning batch also I can show. Today morning batch, what was taken today morning batch. Yes, 8:30 a.m. batch. So today. Yes, one second, morning batch. Or one. It's today's 25th December. This one. Yeah, this is the like yeah, that is a way of training. Yes, every line I'll type and explain. Yes, I'll take risk to slowly explain each and every topic like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand. Slowly, I'll explain very clearly, line by line. Every line I'll type, I'll explain. Type, I'll explain. Very clearly explaining every topic. Okay, like a spoon feeding, everyone can understand. Okay, so yes, so this is first initially 1 month topic here. Logic based completely after finishing this. Yes, next 2 months is Java Oops and project related concepts here. Yes, main Java. These are all the Java fundamentals. After finishing Java fundamentals, next actual Java starts. So that main Java like Oops programming starts. Object oriented programming. See, actually here, so previously, yes, not taken this part. Since last 6 batches, this topic was introduced. Because of many students are asking how to improve my programming skills. So how can improve my logics? So for that reason, based on their request only, this program also introduced. This part also introduced here. So previously core part just it was taken for only for 1 week, but now I am taking 4 weeks. 1 month I am taking. So once you perfect about programming and all this here, then moving to yes object oriented programming. Yes, oops concept features here. Oops concept features like encapsulation. 1 second, let me copy from another match. This morning match, this one. Stop typing and all this. See, oops concept features. Yes, what is time? 10 o'clock. Yes, no issue. 1 second. Yes, I can slowly one by one. So oops concept features. First encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation. Yes, why oops concept was introduced basically here to achieve data security. There are different kind of hoops language like C++, Python, Java, Scala. There are different hoops languages. So why these hoops here? to achieve data security. There are different features like encapsulation, next data abstraction, encapsulation, data abstraction. Yes, next method overloading, next methods overloading, next constructors. Yes, constructors. So next, yes, inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Next, method overriding. Yes, method overriding. Yes, OOP is having many features, but Java won't support all the features. C++ supports all the features of OOPs concepts. C++ all, but Java 90% of OOP supports. Java 90% is not complete OOPs. C++ 100%. Okay, so method overloading, method overriding here. So next, yes. So encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, constructors, inheritance, method overriding. Yes, next. Yes, access specifiers, next access modifiers, access specifiers, access modifiers. So next abstract classes. Yes, abstract classes, see abstract classes. Next interfaces, 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 interfaces. Next polymorphism, interface polymorphism. Next packages, yes, packages. Next garbage collection, garbage collections, garbage collection, garbage collection. Yeah, this is OOPS area, Okay. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, there are separate topics, separate chapters. This is OOPS area. After finishing OOPS area, next, yes, how to use different kind of things in Java projects, like strings concepts. Yes, string buffer concept here. Buffer. Yes, string builder concept. String builder. Yes, next string tokenizer. String tokenizer. Okay, these things here. Yes, after this, next object wrapper classes. See, object wrapper classes. This is to make everything object in Java. Yes, main purpose of object wrapper. Of course, these are to handle things. Yeah, different operations, different kind of things. See, all the cases you can't string class. All the cases you cannot use a string tokenizer. These things here depends on scenario. We can use different string related classes. All the string related classes depends on operations. Operations like copying strings, comparison of strings, concatenation of strings. Okay, there are different kind of things are there. Different operations. Okay. Yes. Next, object wrapper classes. Yes, to make everything object in Java. To make, yes, everything is an object. Yes. Suppose if data in the form of object, data security. Yes, why OOPS concept introduced? Mainly security purpose. For the purpose of security. Concept was introduced here. Yes, object. If data in the form of object, this is security for data. What is exactly object we'll discuss next. Actual concepts we'll discuss. So main purpose of object is to achieve data security. To make everything is object means to get more security for data. Yes, finish some wrapper classes. Okay. After finishing wrapper classes, so next one is exception handling. This is one of the important topic in Java. Exception handling. So what is exception here? Exception means abnormal termination. Exception means abnormal termination. Abnormal. Yes, abnormal. It's abnormal termination. Suddenly terminating application. Abnormal means suddenly. Suppose application running. For example, banking application running. So suddenly network is down. Yes. That case application should not terminate. Application has to run, but displaying some message network is down. Please try later. Something like that. It has to display some messages. Network is down. Please try later. So that kind of things, nothing but exception handling here. Yes, here that application should be keep in live only here. Keep in live only here. Should not be terminated. Yes, if even network is down, that application should not be terminated. So how to keep in live? Yes, we should handle that kind of things. That is nothing but exception handling. Yes, after finishing exception handling here. So next is yes, collections concept. Collections. Yeah, this is most important topic. Collections nothing but something like a data sectors concept. Data sectors. Like a C language data sectors. In Java also we have the data sectors. Okay, like different kind of collections like list components. Yes, queue components. Next, set components and yes, map components. So what's the purpose of this collection components here? So main purpose is to maintain huge amount of data in the RAM. Yes, generally data maintained in the database server, right? Data in the database server, but sometimes you have to maintain in the RAM memory only. For that case, you can use collections. So why data maintain RAM memory here? Improve the performance. Improve the performance of applications. Data has to maintain inside the RAM memory only. In that case, we can go for collections. Using collections, we can do it. Yeah, this is very, very important collections. Without collections, no projects. Yes, almost in my all the projects used collections. Without collections, no Java projects. See, when we are taking interview, definitely 100% will focus on the collections. 100% always will focus on the collections. We'll take the interview. Yes, see, even who are attending interview, even having 10 years of experience, yes, we'll ask the collections definitely here. Yes, we'll ask the collections. 10 years of experience guy also has to face interview on the collections. It's mandatory because collections mostly used on this is my favorite topic. Yes, I work a lot in this area. Very good experience because of every project using collection, different kind of collections. Okay, after collections, next one more is IOSTEMS. This is also one of the important topic here. IOSTEMS. Yes, IOSTEMS is a file handling concept here. It's a file handling. Like different files like text files. Okay, CSV files. CSV means comma separated values. CSV files, Excel files, PDF files, sometimes XML files, sometimes JSON files. There are different kinds of files you have to handle in real time. Okay, next handling images. Next, handling audio files. Yes, handling audio and videos. See, different kind of files. How I got this experience? Because of Hadoop projects. I got the experience on every file, every format. Generally, in Hadoop projects, you're getting different formats of files. Yes, I worked on every format of files. Okay. See, collections and IOSTEMS, this area. Yes, with this area. Using this the combination here, we'll discuss on real-time projects. Yes, we'll see one real-time project on data processing. How data processing at the server sides. Data processing. Okay, suppose for example here, in Facebook, yes, when you're searching for your mail ID, what is happening at the server side? In Facebook ID, when you're searching for your Facebook ID, what is happening at server side? Suppose when you searching for your profile, yes, your request submit for the profile. Yes, what's happening at server side? So different options. What's happening at server side? The server side kind of things we'll be discussing. Okay, so this area will discuss one project here. Okay, next after IOSTEMS, Next is about networking. Next is about networking. Networking concepts like networking, like TCP and UDP applications. TCP and UDP. TCP, transmission control protocol. Here, this is for one-to-one communication. This is for one-to-one communication. One-to-one. So one-to-one. Yes, here we'll discuss one charting application. Charting app. Yes, here I'll explain one charting app. One charting application. One-to-one. Here we'll discuss one charting application. We'll discuss one charting application, like a WhatsApp kind of thing. Like a WhatsApp kind of thing, one charting application we'll discuss. Yes, it's a practically also funny application. Very interesting. It looks like something like a real-time project. Okay. UDP, yes, one-to-many. One-to-many. It's a broadcasting. It's a broadcasting application. See, one computer delivering data to many computers in network. One-to-many. One computer, maybe server computer, delivering information to many computers in network. Okay, suppose for example, Axis Bank. Suppose Axis Bank at the end of the day wanted to send reports to every branch. Certain reports have to deliver to every branch, right? That case, that Axis Bank, get their head office. At head office, some server, right? The server taking some certain reports here and deliver to every branch. There is one-to-many communication. Same kind of application we'll discuss exactly here. One-to-many. One computer delivering data to many computers in the network. One-to-many. This practical application I'll explain. Practical application we'll discuss. Okay, after that, next is about, yes, multi-threading. 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 So multi-threading. See, multi-threading almost outdated. No one using here. Yes, even knowledge purpose you have to learn multi-threading. Yes, even knowledge purposes I'll explain very clearly. In depth I'll explain. Multi-threading nowadays no one using. Reason, frameworks available. We have the frameworks. Yes, like Spring framework. Internally using multi-threading only. Hibernate framework using multi-threading. Hadoop framework, Spark framework. All Java frameworks internally using multi-threading only. Yes, just knowledge purpose I'm explaining here. Just knowledge purpose. Okay. Yes, after finishing multi-threading here. So next JDK 1. Version wise features. 1.0 features, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 7. Next 1.8 from this calling it Java 8. Java 8 features. Yes, Java 9 features. Yes, Java 11 features. And Java 13 features. See, in our office, we are using Java 9. Since last two projects, we are using Java 9. These two projects completed on Java 9. Now, third project also Java 9. See, industry, most of the companies using Java 8 only. See, 80% of companies using Java 8. Java and rare companies. Yes, our company is a Java-based company. Yes, mainly Java projects. For that reason, we are using Java 9. Very, very big team, updated team. Yes, even we are ready with 11 and 13 also. Suppose any client is asking for 11 and 13, we are ready with that. So version wise features. Okay, so this is our complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. Next, one more thing here. JDBC is the JDBC is also part of SE, but not our course. In SE, see in SE, JDBC is also there. Java database connectivity, but it's advanced Java. But it's advanced Java. It's advanced Java course, not here. Next, AWT, abstract windowing toolkit, but outdated. Yes, outdated around the year, yes, 2004. That time will outdated. Next, applets. Okay, this also outdated around 2000 year only. Very old one. Applets. Yes, 2000 year. Outdated concepts. These are outdated. No one will ask you. Suppose anyone asked, Yes, interviews, in interviews, anyone asked about AWT means that guy may be outdated guy. In place of AWT, nowadays we have the Spring framework available, different frameworks available. Okay, no one using AWT, almost out, not almost, completely outdated. Applets also complete outdated. Okay, yeah, this is complete SE. JDBC comes on Advanced Java. JDBC Advanced Java. So this is right. So this is our syllabus. Core Java is our syllabus. Yes, our syllabus is Core Java. This Core Java, Java Standardization. This is our syllabus. After finishing Core Java, what is next? After Core Java, what you have learned here? After our course. Yes, after Core Java. After Core Java, what is next? After Core Java means our course. After our course, what is next? Yes. See, you wanted to be a Java developer, Java developer, Java. Yes, you want to go for Java developer, choosing a Java developer, then learn frameworks. Just you are learn, yes, frameworks like Spring framework, like Spring. Okay, Spring framework. Okay, next Hibernate framework, Hibernate. Sorry, Hibernate frameworks. Spring framework, Hibernate framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spring Boot. Nowadays, companies are asking for Spring Boot, and microservices. Required if you want to be Java developer. These are required here. So next, testers. Next, testers promoting to yes Selenium. Yes, Selenium framework. And go for yes manual testers promoting to Selenium. Selenium completely using Java. Testing is just you go to Selenium, learn Selenium. Yes, you'll get the yes more benefits in your career. Yes, manual testing. Yes, next level is automation testing. Automation testing, Selenium required. Very important, Selenium. Okay. Yes. Next, after this, next. Suppose if you want Hadoop developer, big data. Yes, big data and Hadoop. Yes, this area also. Yes. After core Java, you can move to big data Hadoop. Big data Hadoop. Next, yes, one more. Yes, one more. Yes, big data and Spark is available. Spark, big data and Spark. See, big data and Hadoop here. Next level framework is Spark. Spark is a next level of Hadoop. Spark is next level of Hadoop here. Okay. Yes, next. Next, one more. Yes, AI. Artificial intelligence. But AI, 1 second. AI not is using in India. India don't have much popularity for AI. AI don't have much openings. Yes, in US just little bit started. In US just little bit started. That's it here. So now they are the very hot in the market. Java developers very hot. See, since the last 6 months, lot of openings are there Java here. Compared to any technology, Java has lot of openings, many openings. Since last 6 to 8 months, lot of openings. Python almost it was dead from the market. Python already saturated. Python many learned here and giant job. Python saturated. Yes, no recruitment on Python, completely on Java. Lot of openings. Since last 8 months, there's many openings improved on Java. Many openings. Okay. Yes, even testers, Selenium also lot of openings. Hadoop and big data openings here. Yes, big data Spark. This area here. Next AI is now is not recommended. For AI also you can Java, core Java. Yes, for all this core Java is common. After core Java, these are next level. Next, even Salesforce also core Java required. Salesforce. For Salesforce also core Java required. Salesforce. Yes, next here, others like yes, ADF application development framework is available. Next, OAF is there, but these were outdated from the market. It's Oracle ERP related. ERP related, but they are outdated. No one using. Don't go for this. Yes, don't go for this. Yes, very hot in the market. Java developer. Yes, testers, Hadoop, Spark, and AI is not in. Just don't have much. Salesforce also good in the market. Okay, this is okay. Just you focus these areas. Even Salesforce also no less openings are there. So Java developer, you can move to Java developer, or you can move to testing, or you can move to big data Hadoop area. After finishing this is okay. Yes, Java security we'll discuss in tomorrow class. I'll explain. Yes, about Java history and all that. That time we'll discuss about Java security. I'll explain. Okay. Yes, in Java even we have the ServiceNow tool also nowadays. We are using ServiceNow tool is also ServiceNow. It's a Java based tool. ServiceNow. Yes, in market ServiceNow also openings are there. It's a Java based tool. Yes, many Java based tools have market here. ServiceNow. It's a tool. Java based tool. Okay, so this is after core Java. You can go for this kind of things. Okay. Yes. So this is about complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. Okay. Yes. In this syllabus, first 1 month, very important. Focus on logic building, logic based programming. Yes, once you good at this area, improving your programming skills. Non-IT guys, non-IT background guys, yes, improving their programming skills. Even IT background also. Yes, in college, no one will teach logic based programming. Simply they will, yes, say college just only syllabus, they're finishing syllabus, that's it here. Theory concepts, all this. Practically they won't teach. Yes, practically here, logic based programming can see here. So even already who learned Java also, they can learn better here, 100%. Okay, yes. So this is about about course, about our course contents. Next about course and all this. One second. Let me save this day one. Java. Yes. Mhm. 9 p.m. December. Yes, 27th started. Day one saved. See, 1 second. So day one topic. This is day one. Day one. Yeah, this is sharing to your 9 p.m. Today topic I'm sharing. Day one, yes. Already that group created. Yes. Shared in that group. Next, see here, by 11 o'clock, you can watch video recording also. I'll share that link in this WhatsApp. Okay. See, on Thursday, I'll create a drive for your batch. For your batch, separate drive will be there. I'll create one drive for your batch. Creating a drive. Okay, I'll create a drive here. Okay, Google Drive. Yes, through the Google Drive, I'll share everything. By Friday, not by Friday, by Thursday. By Thursday, I'll create one drive. I'll share everything through the drive. For the time being, for next 3 days, yes, I'll share in the WhatsApp. For next 3 days, WhatsApp. Yes, your daily communication, WhatsApp. Okay, daily communication in WhatsApp. Okay, yes, every information I'll share in the WhatsApp. Minute to minute communication in WhatsApp. Okay, yes. See, this is WhatsApp number. Share your details and add to that group. I will add it and share it once again. After adding, I'll share it once again. So daily documents, next daily videos for next 3 days, I'll share through the WhatsApp. WhatsApp and next From Thursday, sharing to the drive. Yes, everything I'll upload to drive here. You can watch it here. Okay. From Thursday, drive through the drive. For the time being now, yes, through the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, today class by 11 o'clock you can watch it. I'll share. Okay. Yes, this is my number. Yes, share your details to my number. Just not sharing your number. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my number. Share your details. This WhatsApp number. I will add to that group. Take this number. Yes, I'll wait for 1 minute. Take this number. Take it. Yes, you guys see the classes for 3 to 4 days. Tomorrow I'm starting actual classes. Tomorrow also same link. Till Saturday, same link. No change in links. Okay. Tomorrow same link, same time 9 o'clock. No change in link. Okay. So better you share your details and better you communicate in WhatsApp here. Any kind of doubts you want, just you can ping me in WhatsApp. I'll respond immediately. I'll respond here. Still, if you want to talk to me, yes, you can call me on this number. Same number, voice calls I'm missing. So any kind of help I can do. I can do definitely. Okay. Yes. So this is day one topic. Day one. Saved. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Still any doubts? Tomorrow starting actual classes. Yes, tomorrow starting actual classes. Yes, even actual classes also, yeah, 3 to 4 classes free of cost you can see. Okay. Yeah, definitely Sagar. I'll add to group, don't worry. Yeah. That's all for today. Yes. 10:30, right? Exactly. 9 o'clock started, 10:30 completed. That is my class. Exactly 10:30 completed. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Yes, still any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. Yeah. Thank you guys. Have a great night. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.